Hello students, let's continue our next topic, our next point, that is reciprocals or multiplicative inverses. Now we have seen the multiplication of fractions already, isn't it? Now with that multiplication of fractions, I have given here some examples. Look at here, 5 upon 6 into 6 upon 5. As I told you, in multiplication of fractions, you have to multiply numerator by numerator and denominator by denominator. So here I did same thing, 5 6 are 30, 6 5 are 30. That means 30 upon 30 is equal to 1. Next example, 4 multiplied by 1 upon 4. Now here no denominator, that means it has 1. 1 is its denominator. So 4 comes at the numerator place. So 4 ones are 4 and here 1 will be the denominator. So 1 4s are 4. 4 4 upon 4, that means 1. 4 ones are 4, 4 ones are 4. So that answer is 1 upon 1, that means 1. Again 3 upon 2 into 2 upon 3, that means 6 upon 6. Again answer will be 1. 71 upon 3 into 3 upon 71. Again same thing will be there, 71 3s are and 3 71s are, answer will be 200 and suppose 3 1s are, here what answer will come, 3 1s are 3, 7 3s are 21, 213 upon 213, that means again 1. So what is the peculiarity you see in all of them? Means what is the same you have seen in this all examples? So see, a fraction is multiplied by another fraction obtained by exchanging the numerator and denominator of the first fraction. So here 5 upon 6, numerator is 5, denominator is 6. I have just exchanged again in the second fraction, that means denominator came as a place of numerator and numerator came in the place of denominator. That means 5 upon 6 became 6 upon 5, and if I multiplied with these two fractions, their product is 1. When I multiplied these two fractions or their product I have taken, that came 1. So each fraction of such a pair is called the reciprocal or multiplicative inverse of the other. See students, in all the example, now 4, here denominator is 1, the 4 upon 1, it's if I change it numerator and denominator place, it comes 1 upon 4, and multiplicative product of this came 1. 3 upon 2 into 2 upon 3, answer is 1. 71 upon 3 into 3 upon 71, again answer is 1. So that means here these two fractions, they are multiplicative inverse or they are reciprocals of each other. Means in the first example, 5 upon 6 is, or the multiplicative inverse or reciprocal of 5 upon 6 is 6 upon 5. The multiplicative inverse or reciprocal of 4 is 1 upon 4. Reciprocal of 3 upon 2 is 2 upon 3. Reciprocal of 71 upon 3 is 3 upon 71. That means what did you understand from this? If they ask what is the multiplicative inverse or reciprocal, any one name they may use in exam, write reciprocal or write multiplicative inverse, both terms are same. So write multiplicative inverse or reciprocal of 5 upon 6. So what will be the answer? 6 upon 5. Just you have to interchange or exchange the numerator and denominator place, that's it. That will be the reciprocal or multiplicative inverse of that fraction. What did you understand means? When the product of two numbers is 1, each of the number is the multiplicative inverse or reciprocal of the other. Okay, so this is in the now I know. So what you have to do is that give the heading reciprocals or multiplicative inverse and write these all examples in notebook, and after that you have to write the now I know. You will write now I know. Okay, that is on page number 26. So copy this in your notebook. After that, see the page number 26 only, textbook page number 26. is given, think about it. So, they ask what is the reciprocal of 1. So, what do you think? What will be the reciprocal of 1? So, reciprocal of 1 will be 1 because 1 upon 1, and if you exchange it then also 1 upon 1. So, reciprocal of 1 is 1. Would 0 have a reciprocal? No, 0 does not have any reciprocal because 0 does not have any sign also and 0 does not have any reciprocal also. So, I will give some examples to you to write the reciprocals of that number, particular number. You will solve it in your notebook. So, see here, right question will be write reciprocals, or you can see the practice set 13 only. We will solve the practice set 13. Question 1. So, see, write the reciprocals of the following numbers. So, first 7, reciprocal of 7, what will come? Here denominator is 1, 7 upon 1, reciprocal is 1 upon 7. Okay, just exchange the numerator and denominator place, that's it. 11 upon 3, what will be the reciprocal? 3 upon 11. Then 5 upon 13, it will be the 13 upon 5. Then 2, what will be the reciprocal of 2? Here 2, 7, that means 2 upon 1. So, reciprocal will be 1 upon 2. Then 6 upon 7, reciprocal will be 7 upon 6. So, it is very easy, nothing is there, just you have to exchange the place of numerator and denominator and you will get the reciprocal. If no denominator, in such case denominator you have to consider as 1. Okay. So, 7, reciprocal of 7 is 1 upon 7, 11 upon 3 is 3 upon 11 and so on. So, you have to copy this question practice set 13 in your notebook. Thank you.